How's it going, Carey with DrillFit Training? Today I'm going to show y'all the seated cable row with the V-bar attachments. This is going to be the V-bar. It's in the shape of a V. This exercise is going to be for your back, mostly for your lats, your lower lats, and then also the middle back, which is the lower traps and the middle traps, not to be confused with the upper traps, which is what a lot of us try to avoid hitting because they easily take over on a lot of exercises. When setting up for this exercise, you want to drop your knees down as far as you can to keep them out of your way, keeping your feet on these front pegs. Shift your chest up very high. You can even have a slight arch in your back for this exercise because it allows you to get a little bit better of a contraction on your lats. As you row back towards you, you want to drive your elbows down and back toward that back wall or even toward the floor. As you row, you can pause as you get it back to you, getting a great contraction on your back, squeezing each time, each rep. And as you row, be sure you keep your wrists straight and keep your elbows in tight, close to your sides. That's going to allow for a better contraction as well. As you're pulling it back to you, you should really feel this exercise. I like to do somewhere between 12 to 15 reps, and I'll either start with it or it's a great finisher as well after your big main exercise that you're doing for loading your back. And that is the seated cable row.